Namaste and welcome to this episode of Thursday Thoughts. Yeah, nowadays Thursday Thoughts are coming on the fifth day of the test match being played between India and England. And this particular episode, I am talking only to India's captain, Shubman Gill. If you are watching or listening, kindly switch off. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is only for India's captain, Shubman Gill. What should be the strategy for the fifth day so that India comes out on top and wins the fifth test match? So it is strictly for Gill, or maybe to some extent to the GG, SG and GG being Gautam Gambhir. Yeah. So let us look at the strategy that I am trying to share with India's captain, India's manager and head coach and who not. What you have to do is, like Shubman Gill did a great job when he was on the field as the fielding side captain. His bowling changes were excellent. So, like that, kindly remember that your batting order also can be altered, can be changed. So, no need for you to send Rishabh Pant straight away now. See, the thing is 135 runs to win. And you have got the tuku players like Washington Sundar and Nitish Kumar Reddy to some extent, or even you have the inform Ravindra Jadeja. So send those three batsmen ahead of Rishabh Pant. Yes, because you have to play around coolly for some time. Rishabh Pant, for for Rishabh Pant to play coolly and tuku is very, very difficult. So why ask him to play something which he is not good at? So instead, send the people who are good at doing tuku. Let them do the tuku for half an hour, 1 hour. See, the thing is, you have got three all-rounders waiting with the pads on. So send right now, if you ask me, send Washington Sundar, the man in form. He has batted well in the first innings. He bowled exceedingly well in the second innings. And Gill did a great job in giving him the bowling. Now it is time for him to give him the bat and ask him to bat alongside KL Rahul. So both can do tuku for some time and frustrate the English bowlers. And I'm sure that I just make sure that this strategy is not leaked out to the English team or Ben Stokes. So the strategy is send Washington Sundar next. Ask him to play his natural game of playing defensive and just collecting singles and twos. Meanwhile, Rahul, who's also good at it, will continue doing that. Get some 20, 30, 40 runs maximum. I don't insist that you should go for a bigger partnership. If you get 40 runs partnership each from Ravindra Jadeja, Washington Sundar, and Nitish Kumar Reddy, 20 each they have to score. The other 20s, hopefully KL Rahul stays there and gets his second century of the match at Lords and creates a record and becomes the hero. No harm in Rishabh Pant giving the award of the hero of the test match, Lord's test match to KL Rahul, if that ensures that India wins the test match and goes to one up. So my strategy is you have two bowlers waiting to bat in case required, and they will be like what do you call your Siraj and Bumrah. They can also get good runs if it is required. I only hope it is not required to depend on them. So these three all-rounders first can get some 20, 30 runs partnership. So if they get 20 runs, 60 runs minus from 135. If they get 30 runs, say 90 runs, so around you will be left with 45 runs. 45 runs, if at all Rishabh Pant has to come and bat. With KL Rahul, his attitude has to be different. He can play defensive and try to collect his boundaries at his own speed. or else if the other side is a Siraj or a Bumrah, then he can play an IPL innings and get those 40, 50 runs required to win and win handsomely. So, I mean, that is what is my strategy, and I would like to tell this secret to Shubman Gill, the India's captain. Alter the batting as per the situation demands, not necessarily blindly go with Rishabh Pant and the English players, bowlers will be bowling tail up. See, you cannot be worse than that 42 all out of 1974. At Lords, it happened. Arnold. Arnold taking 5 wickets, Chris Old taking 4 wickets, Eknath Solkar topping the India score of 18 runs, not out, and Chandrasekhar not asked to bat because India were 49 for 42 for 9, and India lost by an innings. So I mean, if that such a dismal batting is as a record in front of you, don't care. Just you go and play your natural game. It cannot be worse than that. You are already 58 for 4. So just play a slow game, frustrate the bowlers, and come on top. The more you frustrate the bowlers, the fielders, you are likely to come on top, and you will be given that many opportunities to score. So my secret is change the batting order. Don't send Rishabh Pant immediately. So this is the secret I want to share only with Captain Shubman Gill, hoping for the best result today. And I know there are three possibilities are there. I mean, with all my patriotism or India win situation or prediction, there can be a dismal batting and good bowling by the English bowlers, and India may lose. And at the worst, I mean, there is a third possibility, 10% possibility of the match ending in a tie also. Runs first innings, it so happened I was looking for some 50 runs of partner first innings lead for India were bundled out for 387, this exactly the same score as England in the first innings, 387. So now second innings, if India also gets out at 192, it will be a tight test, but the probability is very less. So I go with 70 to 75% India's chances of winning, 20, maybe 15 to maximum 20% of England trying to win or getting a victory, or 5 to 10% I go with tight test. So this is my prediction. This is my secret to the Indian cricket team's captain, Shubman Gill. All the best. Your name is Shubman. You let Shubh things happen to us in India in cricket. Don't unnecessarily get excited, get overexcited. Don't show your aggression through acts. You show it through your batting. You tell all your batsmen. These are the two secrets I wanted to share with you. All the best, India. Go get the victory at Lord's. God bless all of us. Stay blessed always. Bye bye. Take care.